Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Is your washing machine starting to smell a bit funky? Or maybe your dishwasher isn't leaving your plates sparkling like it used to? In this guide, we've tested the top 5 machine cleaners of 2026, specifically for front loaders and dishwashers. Let's get your appliances back to factory fresh condition. Product number 1. FlowCheer Washing Machine Cleaner for Pet Hair and Odor. The FlowCheer Deep Cleaning Tablets are a specialized solution for households that deal with the heavy-duty debris of pet ownership. Much like a high-actuation mechanical switch designed for rapid input, these tablets are engineered to accelerate the breakdown of stubborn pet hair, dander, and trapped odors within the washer drum. While many cleaners only target lime, FlowCheer focuses on the organic buildup that causes that distinct wet dog smell in front-load gaskets. The formula utilizes active oxygen and surfactants to penetrate deep into the hidden parts of the tub. It effectively dissolves the biofilm that traps hair in the drainage system, ensuring your machine remains efficient and free of clogs. For owners of shedding breeds, this is an essential maintenance tool. The build quality of the tablet itself is impressive, designed for a slow-release cycle that ensures the entire interior is treated thoroughly from start to finish. Product number 2. House Mold Stain Remover Gel with Brush. The House Mold Stain Remover Gel is the precision keycap puller of this list. It is a surgical tool designed for the specific, hard-to-reach areas of a front-load washing machine. Front loaders are notorious for mold and mildew buildup in the rubber door gasket, and these tablets alone often can't reach those crevices. This 8 fluid ounce gel adheres to vertical surfaces, allowing the active ingredients to break down deep-seated stains over several hours. The integrated brush head is a game changer, providing the tactile control needed to scrub the layout of the rubber seal. It is particularly effective at removing black spots and slime that standard cycle cleaners might miss. For those who have neglected their machine seal for a few seasons, this gel acts as a restorative treatment, bringing the aesthetic and hygiene of the unit back to factory standards. Product number 3. Day-U-Al Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets 24 pieces. The Day-U-Al 24-piece pack is the high-value budget build that doesn't compromise on performance. These tablets are designed for a deep clean and deodorization, targeting the lime scale and detergent buildup that accumulates behind the drum. With 24 pieces in a single box, this set provides a full year of monthly maintenance, offering a cost-per-use ratio that is hard to beat in the current 2026 market. The tablets dissolve quickly in both hot and cold water cycles, making them versatile for different machine settings. They are particularly adept at removing the musty odor common in front loaders by neutralizing odor-causing bacteria at the source. The formulation is safe for all brands of high-efficiency HE machines. For the pragmatic homeowner who wants a reliable, set-it-and-forget-it maintenance routine, the Day-U-Al tablets offer a professional-grade clean at a consumer-friendly price point. Product number 4. Renew Washing Machine and Dishwasher Cleaner Bundle. Renew offers a multi-platform solution with this dual-purpose bundle. Just as a hybrid keyboard works across multiple operating systems, these tablets are formulated to clean both washing machines and dishwashers. This versatility simplifies your cleaning inventory, ensuring that both of your most critical water-using appliances stay free of grease, mineral deposits, and stale food odors. In the dishwasher, these tablets strip away the cloudy film on the interior walls and clear out the spray arms for better water pressure. In the washing machine, they tackle the scrud, detergent and fabric softener residue, that can stain clothes. The bundle is an excellent choice for users who live in areas with hard water, as the Renew formula is specifically optimized to chelate minerals like calcium and magnesium, preventing the long-term corrosion of internal mechanical components. Product number 5. 72-tablet combo pack, washer, dishwasher, and disposal. This 72-tablet mega pack is the full-size workstation of cleaning kits. It covers every major appliance in the modern kitchen and laundry room. 48 tablets for dishwashers and washing machines, plus 24 specialized tablets for the garbage disposal. This comprehensive kit is designed to remove limescale and deep-seated grime across all your high-moisture appliances. The garbage disposal tablets are a standout addition, featuring a foaming action that reaches the underside of the splash guard and the grinding blades, areas that usually harbor the worst kitchen odors. The dishwasher washer tablets are equally robust, formulated to strip away months of buildup in a single hot water cycle. For the power user who wants a complete, all-in-one solution to appliance hygiene, this combo pack offers the best bulk value and ensures that no corner of your home's plumbing is left untreated.